Welcome to the Spiration Valve System valve removal in service. Today, we will review the proper steps for removing the spiration valve. It is recommended that valves should be removed through an endotracheal tube or other intubation system that facilitates access to the airways. Select the appropriate forceps for removing the valve. Insert the forceps through the instrument channel of the bronchoscope, directing the forceps to the target location. Grasp the removal rod tip with the appropriate forceps and gently pull the valve until it is dislodged from the airway wall. While still firmly holding onto the valve with the forceps, simultaneously remove the bronchoscope and the forceps from the patient. In the event the removal rod tip is not easily grasped, the shaft of the removal rod can be used as an alternative. Caution: do not attempt to bring the valve through the instrument channel of the bronchoscope.